Always read the question very carefully with focusing mainly on the buzzword. So in this question it is mentioned 60-year-old man presenting with a history of intensely pruritic tense blisters, that is fluid filled lesions which are present over the body, and you can see that it is mentioned that there are wheals present over the body over which there is this vesicle and bullous lesion formation. Systemic steroids were started for the control of the disease, and steroid-induced diabetes mellitus occurred. So that is secondary. Skin biopsy and direct immunofluorescence is planned to confirm the diagnosis. Which of the following statements regarding this disease is incorrect? By these clues, if you have already diagnosed the case as bullous pemphigoid, your diagnosis is absolutely correct. And with that knowledge, let us see what are the options mentioned. IgG deposits are seen on direct immunofluorescence. This statement is correct. Antibodies are against hemidesmosome, that is bullous pemphigoid antigen 2 and bullous pemphigoid antigen 1. Absolutely correct. Direct immunofluorescence will show linear immunofluorescence. This is also absolutely correct. There will be linear deposits of IgG and C3 along the basement membrane zone or dermoepidermal junction. So what is the false statement or incorrect here? Option C, desmoglein 3 and 1 antibodies are seen in Pemphigus vulgaris but not in bullous pemphigoid. Okay, so I hope this explanation was helpful. If so, please do that like button and subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you so much. Happy learning. Bye bye.